Srikanth Tadvarti. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about previous NEET questions given from the topic of groups 15, 16, 17, 18 group elements. Okay, this is the first question. So this question is given NEET 2018. Which of the following statement is not true for halogens? So they are asking about the wrong statement for the halogens. So we will see one by one. First one, all but fluorine shows positive oxidation states. Actually, fluorine having high electronegativity, it shows only negative oxidation state. So oxidation state of fluorine always -1 due to high electronegativity. So first statement is wrong statement. So we'll check remaining. All are oxidizing agents. Yes, it is true. Halogens are acting as a good oxidizing agent. Third one, all form mono basic oxo acids. It is also correct. Why? Because they can form HOX type oxo acids. Fourth one, chlorine has high electroaffinity. This is also correct. So only statement 1 is wrong. Okay, students. So this is next question. This question also is given in a NEET 2018 paper. The correct decreasing order of oxygen state of nitrogen atom in the following compounds is. So here we have 4 options and the compounds are HNO3. In HNO3, oxygen state of nitrogen is +5. In next one is NH4Cl. Here oxygen state of nitrogen is -3. And next one is NO. In the oxygen state is +2. And next one is N2. Here 0. So when I arrange the decreasing order of oxygen state, highest one is in HNO3, after NO, after N2, and at last is NH4Cl. So this is the decreasing order of the oxygen state. So third option is the right option. Okay, students, this is next question. This question is given in NEET 2017 paper. So match the following columns. In the column 1, XY, XY3, XY5, XY7 is given. In column 2, T-shape, pentagonal, bipyramidal, linear, square pyramidal, and tetrahedral is given. So first one is XY. So XY has a linear shape. So first one is C is the right matching, and second one is XY3. So XY3, it is a sp3 dehydration and T shape is present. For second one, A is right matching, and XY5. So XY5 in XY5, X undergoes sp3 dehydration and shape is square pyramidal. So D option is right. And XY7 is sp3 d3 hybridization and shape is pentagonal bipyramidal. So B is the right option. So based on this, the right option is first option is the right option for the given question. That's all. Okay, students. So this is next question. This question is given in NEET 2017 paper. In which pair of ions both species contains SS bond? So first we take the structure of the species. So and first one is S4 O6 -2. Its structure is present like this is the structure of S4O6 -2, and second one I just take the S2O3 -2. It will be present like and next one is structure of S2O7 -2. So it will be present like and last one is S2O8 -2. Its structure is so in 4 structures in the S4O6 -2 ion and S2O3 -2 ion consist of SS bonds. So first option is the right option. That's all. Friends, so this is the next question. Which of the following is correct order of bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecules? So here we have the 4 options. We need to choose the right one. The order of bond dissociation enthalpy is chlorine having highest bond dissociation energy, after bromine, after fluorine, and at last is iodine. So this is the order of bond dissociation energy of halogen molecules. So when you observe that, fourth option is the right option. So this is next question. This question is given in a NEET phase 2 2016 paper. When copper is heated with concentrated nitric acid, it produces. Actually, when copper react with nitric acid, I mean concentrated nitric acid, it can form the copper nitrate and it liberate the nitrogen dioxide and form the water. So this is the reaction of copper with the concentrated nitric acid. So third option is the right option. Okay students, this is next question. This question is given in NEET phase 1 2016 paper. Which of the following statement is correct for acids? First one, phosphenic acid is a monoprotic acid while phosphonic acid is a diprotic acid. So phosphonic acid consists of one POH bond, so it is monoprotic acid. At the same time, phosphonic acid consists of two POH bonds, so it is it can form the it is a diprotic acid. So first statement is right option. So based on the second option, if you see that phosphonic acid is diprotic and phosphonic acid is monoprotic, it is reverse to the first option. So second one is wrong, and third, fourth one also wrong. Why? Because both are diprotic acids and both are triprotic acid is given. So based on the reasons, first option is the right option for the given question. That's all. Next question. It is given in NEET phase 1 2016 paper. Match the following columns. In the column 1, they given XeF6, XeO3, XeOF4 and XeF4. In column 2, they give distilled octahedral, square planar, pyramidal and square pyramidal. So we will match one by one. First XeF6. XeF6 undergoes sp3d3 hybridization with one lone pair electrons. So it has a distilled octahedral structure. So for 1, A is the right matching. XeO3. Here XeO3 xenon undergoes sp3 hybridization having one lone pair. So pyramidal. C is right matching. XeOF4. Here it is sp3d2 hybridization with one lone pair. So square pyramidal is the shape. And fourth one XeF4 is also undergoes sp3d2 hybridization with two lone pairs. So shape is square planar C. So right option is ACD. Right option is ACDB. And so third option is the next question. This question also is given in NEET phase 1 2016 paper. Among the following, the correct order of STT is. So the STT of oxo acids of halogens increase with the increasing of oxidation state. So in HCl4, oxidation state is +7. In HClO3, oxidation state is +5. In HClO2, oxidation state is +3. And in HClO, oxidation state is +1. Then the order of STT of oxo acids of chlorine is HClO4 is more than HClO3, it is more than HClO2, and it is more than HClO. And the right option is fourth option. Next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 paper. Strong reducing behavior of H3PO2 is due to. Actually, the oxo acids of the reason for showing of reducing nature of oxo acids of phosphorus is due to presence of pH bonds. So pH bond responsible for a reducing property. So when you see the structure of H3PO2, so this is the structure of H3PO2. It consists of two pH bonds. So two pH bonds and one POH bond. So right option is question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 paper. Which of the statement is incorrect? First one, O3 is a bent shape. It is true. And ONF is a isoelectronic with NO2 minus. If you see that ONF, fluorine consists of 9 electrons, oxygen consists of 8 electrons, nitrogen consists of 7 electrons. Totally here we present 24 electrons. When you see the NO2, each oxygen consists of 8 electrons, 8 plus 8 16, and nitrogen consists of 7 electrons, 16 plus 7 23, and here minus, I mean X of electrons 24. So second statement is also correct. When you see the third one, OF2 is oxide of fluorine. It is wrong one. Why? Because here central atom is oxygen. So due to high electronegativity, it is considering as a fluoride of oxygen, not oxide of fluorine. So OF2 is fluoride of oxygen due to high electronegativity of fluorine. So third option is the incorrect. Next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 paper. What is the reason for higher boiling point of hydrogen fluoride in hydrogen halide? So here we have four options is there. Due to presence of hydrogen bond dissociation energy of hydrogen fluoride is high, the electronegativity of fluorine is high, all are correct. The reason for the high boiling point of hydrogen fluoride in hydrogen halides is in hydrogen halides only HF consists of hydrogen bonds in the gaseous phase, but remaining are don't have hydrogen bonds. Due to presence of hydrogen bond, its boiling point is higher when compared to the remaining one. So first option is right option. This is next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 paper. NO2 and SO2 have some properties in common. Which property is shown by one of these compounds but not by others? So if you see that both NO2 here four options is there. Is soluble in water, form acid rains, used as food preservative, reducing it. Both NO2 and SO2 are soluble in water and form the corresponding acids. At the same time, NO2 and SO2 are responsible for the acid rains. NO2 and SO2 both are acting as reducing agents, but in NO2 and SO2 acting as a food preservative, but NO2 doesn't use it as a food preservative. So the right option is third option. Okay students, this is next question. Acidity of diprotic acid in aqueous solution increase in the order of. So this question is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2014 paper. So here we have four options are present. So they are asking about the increasing order of acidic strength for these hydrates. So when I observed that from sulfur to tellurium, the atomic size increase. So when atomic size increase, bond length is increase, then bond strength is decrease, then acidic strength is increase. So due to increasing of atomic size, bond length increase, then bond strength decrease, then acidic nature increase. So order is H2T is more than H2SE is more than H2S. So first option is the right option. Okay students, this is next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2013 paper. Which is the strongest acid in the following? Here four options is there. HClO4, H2SO3, H2SO4 and HClO3. So actually HCl4 is most strongest acid due to presence of highest oxidation state. So here chlorine having +7, here sulfur having +5, here sulfur having +6, here chlorine having +5. So in all that, HClO4 having a highest oxidation state and its conjugate base is stabilized by the resonance. So it easily loses the proton. So having a strong strong acidic nature. At the same time, sulfur having high electronegativity, chlorine having high electronegativity compared to the sulfur. So due to high electronegativity, chlorine shows the more acidic nature. So due to high electronegativity of chlorine than sulfur, so oxoacids of chlorine more acidic than oxoacids of sulfur. In oxoacids of chlorine, HClO4 is more acidic than HClO3. Why? Because here oxidation state of chlorine is +7, here +5. Due to more highest oxidation state, it shows the more acidic nature. First option is the right option. Next one. So it is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2013 paper. Which of the following molecule contain no pi bonds? So when I observe the four structures, H2O doesn't consist of pi bonds, it consists of only sigma bonds. Sulfur dioxide consists of 2 pi bonds. NO2 also consists of 1 pi bond. CO2 also consists of 2 pi bonds, and H2O consists of 2 sigma bonds. So fourth option is the right option. Okay students, this is next question. It is given in NEET 2013 paper. Which of the following does not give oxygen on heating? So we will check each everyone. So first option, K2Cr2O7. When K2Cr2O7, 2 moles of potassium dichromate undergoes strong heating, it can form potassium chromate and chromium oxide and liberate the oxygen. When I go for second option, ammonium dichromate. When ammonium dichromate undergoes strong heating, it can form nitrogen and chromium oxide and liberate the water molecule. So second option is the right option. We will check remaining also. KClO3. When potassium chloride undergoes strong heating, it can form potassium chloride and form the oxygen. And fourth one, ZnClO3 taken to on strong heating, it can form zinc chloride and liberate the oxygen. So second option is the right option. Why? Because it cannot liberate the oxygen. Next question. So these questions given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2012 paper. In which of the following compound nitrogen exhibit the highest oxygen state? If you see that, first one N2H4, here oxygen state of nitrogen is -2. In NH3, oxygen state is -3. In N3H, -1/3. In NH2OH, -1. So the highest oxygen state in the 4 compounds is third option, N3H, that is -1/3. Okay, friends, this is next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2012 paper. Which of the following sequence is incorrect? Here 4 options is given. Acidic strength increase from Hi to HCl, and pKa values of hydrates of oxygen family increase from H2O to H2Te. Acidic nature of hydrates of 5th group increase from NH3 to SbH3. Oxidizing power of oxides of 14th group increase from CO2 to PbO2. Actually, the acidic strength of hydrates increase with increasing of molecular mass. So acidic nature of hydrates increase with increasing of molecular mass, or acidic nature of hydrates increase down the group. So based on this, the order of acidic nature is HF is less than HCl less than HBr less than HI, and at the same time H2O less than H2S less than H2SE less than H2Te, and NH3 less than PH3 less than ASH3 less than and SbH3. When you see the second option, they given about pKa values. So the pKa, so it is representation of Ka value. So the pKa values must be reversed. pKa value must be decreased. pKa value must be decreased from H2O to H2Te. It is quite opposite, and these indication of Ka values or acidic strength, the order of acidic strength. So second option is wrong option. Okay, students, this is next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2011 paper. Oxygen state of phosphorus in H4P2O5, H4P2O6 and H4P2O7 or respectively. Actually in a H4P2O5 the oxygen state of phosphorus is +3. In H4P2O6 oxygen state of phosphorus is +4, and in H4P2O7 oxygen state of phosphorus is +5. So based on this, the order, the right option is +3, +4, +5. Fourth option is the right option. Students, this is next question. This question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2010 paper. The correct order of increasing bond angle in the following. So here for 3 structures we have Cl2O, ClO2 and ClO2 minus. So they are asking increasing of bond angles in the following species. So we have the order of bond angles of a given compound is ClO2 having highest bond angle, after Cl2O, and at last ClO2 minus. So this is the order of bond angles of given compounds. So based on this, fourth option is the right option. Okay, students, this is next question. It is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2010 paper. So how many bridge oxygen atoms are present in P4O10 molecule? If you see the structure of P4O10, pass. So 4 pass can be arranged tetrahedrally. So this is the structure of P4O10. If you observe that here we have totally 6 bridge oxygen atoms. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Totally we have 6 bridge oxygen atoms. So first option is the right option. Okay students, this is the next question. So this question is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2009 paper. Among the following, which is strongest oxidizing agent? Here four options. Here they give the halogens as a 4 options. For the halogens, standard reduction potential of halogens are positive. So and it is decreased from fluorine to iodine. So the strongest oxidizing is F2. So oxidizing power of halogens decrease from fluorine to iodine. So strongest oxidizing agent is fluorine. So fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent. That's all. Okay students, so this is next question. So this question is given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2008 paper. The angular shape of ozone molecule O3 consists of they asking about sigma and pi bonds. If you see the structure of ozone, so the ozone consists of 3 oxygen atoms. So one oxygen atom acting as a central atom, and remaining 2 atoms, one oxygen atom form the double bond and one oxygen atom can form the sigma bond or a coordination cone bond. So it consists of 1 pi bond and 2 sigma bonds, and the right option is second option is the right option. Friends, this is next question. So it is given All India Pre-Medical Test 2007 paper. Which of the following oxide is expected to paramagnetic behavior? So if you see the structure of each and every one, first is CO2. Carbon consists of 2 double bond oxygen. At carbon we have 4 valence electrons. So in 4 valence electrons can be involved in the bond. So we don't have any unpaired electrons. So it is a diamagnetic. When you go for the SiO2 has a similar structure like carbon dioxide. So it is also diamagnetic. And when you observe the structure of SO2, it consists of 1 lone pair and 2 double bonded oxygen atoms. So here sulfur having 6 electrons. In 6 electrons, 4 electrons can be involved in the bond and 1 pair is present. So it is also diamagnetic. When you go for the fourth option, that is ClO2. If you observe the structure of ClO2, it is present like ozone structure. So when you observe the structure of ClO2, chlorine having 7 electrons. In 7 electrons, 2 electrons can be involved bonding with one oxygen and 2 electrons sharing to the oxygen, another oxygen to form the day2 bond. Remaining 3 electrons is present. Due to presence of odd electrons, it shows the paramagnetic. It is paramagnetic. So fourth option is the right option. That's all. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.